unincorporated businesses in New York. So think about asset management firms, think about consulting firms, in some cases, legal firms, accounting firms, who basically have been operating out of New York City. And there seems to be an opportunity to save on New York City UBT taxes. So
it's imposed only at a 4% tax rate. So most people think, 4% tax, what's the big deal? But it's a very broad-based tax.
From the perspective of the convenience rule, right? A lot of employers, said, hey, I have somebody who's working out of New Jersey or from the Hamptons. And so there's no real benefit because of the convenience rule as it relates to employment taxes. But what I'm hearing from you is that basically that is not true as it relates to UBT.
However, you do have to be prepared for an audit because New York City is only getting more and more aggressive in the UBT context. I'm probably handling a dozen UBT audits right now.
One of the important ingredients in this is going to be able to prove in an unequivocal way where are people spending time. And this can be a lot of work if it is done manually. Also, the nature of the audit is very different when it is record keeping done in Excel files, on calendars and diaries. And how do you do this in a diary or an Excel file when you have, not one person, but 20 people, 50 people, 60, 70 people who may need to be a part of this calculation. And so there is technology that's available out there.